Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this tutorial I will tell you how you can download MetaTrader 5 Forex app. As you can see that this is a very good rating. Total rating is 5 and here you can see that 4.7 rating, 931,000 reviews. So it is very good app, so you can use it. And here real time codes of financial structure, online trading in financial markets and comparison analysis. Each and everything in this app is available here. So how you can download and install, let's see. Just you have to click on the install button. After clicking on install button, it will automatically will be download and install. Just you have to wait it. After download and installed, you have to click on open. After clicking on open button, here you will see that welcome to MetaTrader 5. So you can read out. So after that I am accepting it. You must have to read the agreement. Open a demo account. After that you will see open a demo account. So I again tell you if it is loading like this for a long time. By opening an account, you agree to the account opening terms and to the data protection policy of. To trade using real money, you need to apply for a real trading account by entering into a separate agreement with the financial services company. So if it does not work and load for a long time, then you can click on the cross button. After clicking on the close button, you search to find a company. So here are a lot of options are available, brokers, and you can see no trading account to show. So by clicking here you can see the different login to existing account or open a demo account. You can also start from here. Trade news, mailbox, and each and everything is available here. Just you can click here again and then you can create a new account, or also you can after that you can log in. After that, add trading account is also available here. Cannot find your broker. So if you face a difficulty by same method, so in the next tutorial I will tell you how you can use it and why these errors are occurred. After clicking here, you can see that each and everything is already written on it, but you can use it. Then how you can use it I will definitely tell in the detail in the next tutorial. But in this tutorial I just only focus was on the how you can download and install. So after that you can create an account and log in. But if you face this problem, then you must have to scroll the channel, search the channels, and then you can find out the videos in detail how you can solve this problem and why this problem.